Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing a Nykaa haul with you guys. I've ordered a few products in last few days. I ordered few products from their Christmas sale and कुछ ऐसे products हैं जो मैंने randomly order करे हैं. I didn't get everything in this single box. I got all the orders in different boxes. So I'll be sharing what all I got from Nykaa during this sale and randomly with you guys in this video. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. I won't talk in any particular order. Whatever product I'll get in my hand, I'll talk about that. So the first thing which I ordered is this foundation. This is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is how it looks. So Lakme launched this foundation recently only, and I was so excited when I saw this foundation, and I grabbed it quickly because I wanted to try this foundation and share a review with you guys. I won't talk about this foundation much in this video because I'm planning to share a detailed review about this foundation on my channel. The next product which I got is this. This is a makeup blender from Blue Heaven. This is how it looks. I was trying to buy this blender from a very long time, but ये जो स्पॉन्ज है वो हमेशा ही आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता था नायका पे, तो मैंने इसको अपनी विश लिस्ट में डाल के रखा था. एंड जैसे ही मैंने देखा कि ये जो ब्लेंडर है वो स्टॉक में आ गया है, मैंने जल्दी से इसको खरीद दिया बिकॉज इस ब्लेंडर को आउट ऑफ स्टॉक जाने में बहुत ही कम टाइम लगता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दिस लुक्स. इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट्स ड्राई एंड स्टिल यू सी इट्स वेरी स्क्विशी. And I have heard many good things about this beauty sponge, so I wanted to try this. Actually, I was looking for affordable makeup tools which I can share with you guys because बहुत सारे मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स मुझसे पूछते रहते हैं अफोर्डेबल ब्रशेज एंड स्पॉन्जेस के बारे में. सो आई वांटेड टू try this so that I can tell you if it is good or not. So that's why I wanted to buy it, and finally I got the chance to buy this. So I will try this sponge and I will definitely share a detailed review about this sponge on my channel. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and वो notification bell को भी hit कर देना so that you will be notified जब भी मैं video upload करूँ. Next I got these two makeup wipes from Simple. So this one is Simple Micellar Cleaning Wipes. This is how it looks. You get 25 wipes in this. I don't remember the prices of all these products. I'll mention the prices on the screen somewhere or in the description box. And I guess there was 25% or 20% discount was there on Nykaa when I bought it. So the next which I got is this Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes. In this one also you get 25 wipes, and this is how it looks. ये वाले जो क्लींजिंग वाइप्स हैं मैं ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. ये मेरा रीपर्चेज है. वो ख़त्म हो गया था तो आई वांटेड टू बाय दैट अगेन बिकॉज आई फील कि ये जो वाइप्स हैं बहुत ही अच्छे हैं और इनसे बहुत अच्छे से मेकअप क्लीन हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस इज़ रिकेल आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस इट. दिस इज़ पिट स्टॉप जेल. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एक्चुअली दिस हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर योर acne spots and scars. So I have seen ki Aditi, that quirky miss, she talks about this gel a lot. So based on her recommendation only I bought this. I have not tried it yet. तो मैं इसको try करूँगी and then I'll share my review about this gel with you guys. Next product which I got is this micellar water. This is Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water. This is how it looks. Pond's has launched micellar water recently in the market. There are 3 variants available in this micellar water. One is brightening rose, second one is detoxed charcoal, and the third one is hydrating aloe vera. So I got the variant hydrating aloe vera. It comes in this green color bottle. Instagram was flooded with the post about this micellar water, and all the YouTubers were talking about this micellar water. I don't get PR, so I didn't get the chance to try it. So I thought of buying it and trying it, and let's see how it performs. And I'm planning to do a comparison video between this micellar water and the Garnier one, which is like my holy grail product. So I'll try this and then I will share my review about this one and the comparison between these two micellar waters. Next I got these lipsticks from Lakme. Is there a new launch? This is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So I got 4 shades in this lipstick. I wanted to try this and share a review on this lipstick, so that's why I bought 4 shades. I got Mauve Fling, Red Velvet, Nude Dream and Nude Pink. and these are the 4 shades. So I won't talk much about these lipsticks because I'm planning to share a review about these lipsticks. मैं ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ लिपस्टिक्स को एंड एक्चुअली मैं ऑलरेडी फिल्म कर चुकी हूँ इसका रिव्यू एंड आई एम वेयरिंग वन ऑफ दीज लिपस्टिक्स. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस न्यूड पिंक करेंटली ऑन माई लिप्स बिकॉज मैंने अभी अभी स्वॉच किया है इन लिपस्टिक्स को. तो ये मैं ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ बट आई शेयर अ डिटेल रिव्यू अबाउट दिस लिपस्टिक इन अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन माई चैनल. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम फेसेस कैनेडा. Most of them are lipsticks only, so let's talk about them one by one. So first one is this is a Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is how it looks from outside. So I got 2 shades in this lipstick. First one is Deep Nude 01 and the second one is 04 Promising Pink. So this is how it looks from inside. It looks so beautiful. It comes in this frosted bottle. And let me show you the shade. So these are the 2 shades. This is Deep Nude and this one is Promising Pink. I'm really liking this shade. This looks so different. I think I'm gonna love this shade. Next I got this lipstick. This is Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Belle de Luxe Jewel Cut Lipstick. Actually मैंने ये लिपस्टिक सिर्फ इसकी पैकेजिंग के लिए खरीद ली है. I guess ये इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही थी. लेट मी शो यू. ये अभी तक पैक है. सो इट लुक्स लाइक दिस फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. मैंने इसको अभी तक ओपन भी नहीं किया है. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. ओह वाओ, इट कम्स इन दिस पाउच. It actually gives that luxury kind of a feel, and the name also says it's luxe lipstick. Look at this, just look at this. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, this golden packaging, it looks so pretty. My god. And this is the lipstick. See the bullet? The bullet also looks so good, so pretty, and it has that magnetic closure. Wow. The shade which I got is 21 Noble Garnet. Let me show you the shade. Oh my god, I love this color. Actually I tried this color in a store and then I bought it. This is the color. It looks so beautiful. This is little expensive. It retails for 8.99 rupees. But see, look at it. It looks so beautiful and it will look so good sitting on the vanity. The last product is this tiny nail paint which I got from Faces Canada. So the shade name is Floral Dream 56. This is a very beautiful nude shade. Next I got this. This is a moisturizer from Pond's and this is how it looks like. I was looking for an affordable moisturizer and I came across this, so I thought of trying this. I have the cream from Garnier, that Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. That's my holy grail product and I use that on a regular basis. But I wanted to try a different moisturizer. Not like that moisturizer, that cream is bad, that's why I wanted to try something new. But I just wanted to try something new. So I thought of buying this and trying this. Next I got this. This is the Face Shop Collagen Pomegranate and Collagen Volume Lifting Toner. And this is how it looks. This is from their collagen range. I'm actually already using the cream from this same range and I really like that. So I wanted to try some other product as well from the same range. That's why I got it. And this is how this toner looks like. It is very heavy. Like I'm holding it here, right? It feels very heavy. I'm already obsessed with the chia seed toner from the Face Shop, but I wanted to try something new as well. That's why I called for this. There was some discount going on when I bought this, so I got this for free. This is from the Face Shop obviously, and this is their mango seed lip and eye makeup remover, and this is how it looks. It looks like oil infused remover. So I actually wanted to try something from this mango seed range, but I didn't buy anything from this mango seed range and I got this for free when I bought this. So I was really happy to see that. And the actual price of this is $8.90 and the price of this is $13.99 I guess. So I got this product of $8.99 rupees free on this product of $13.99, which was a really good deal. I was really happy about this purchase. So yeah guys, those were all the products I got from Nykaa. I hope you liked this haul and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. If you want me to share my review on any of the product which I've shared in this video, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very happy to do that for you guys. And do press that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.